I'm going to start this and do a walk around, and hopefully I won't drop the camera as I'm putting it on the seat. So you put it on the seat just like that, turn it on, pull in the clutch. I'm a moped guy. I'm almost 60 years old and I have never ridden one of these bikes. I just put the temporary plate on it, and I know it's cold out here and I'm probably foolish, but I think I may take it around the block. I don't know if you can see the little orange sparkles in the paint job. It's beautiful. And I have a full face black helmet I've never used, and I'm going to put orange signers on it. Now this engine is supposed to be the best. CBR is supposed to be the 2006 to 2008. That's before they detuned them for EPA or some kind of crap. This one has 118 horsepower. It's a 4-cylinder. You need a 4-cylinder if you go on the highway. You have to have a 4-cylinder, otherwise just rattle pieces. Isn't that, God, it's got a cool sound to it. And I'm kind of scared to drive it because I've driven mopeds all the time and I've never driven one of these. And I finally told my wife I'm just going to go get one, and that's the way it is. So I'm going to get my black helmet on and go see how she works. It's idling well. It's got a full tank of gas. I have to adjust the clock, but the rest of it looks really good, and I think it should be very, very fast. I hope. I just looked this up and it was amazing that this exhaust right here is at $1,100. Well, I'm going to go give it a try. Oh, by the way, in case something happens, which it won't, this bike came with a whole new set of plastics. Complete white, a red tank, white Repsol plastics, all completely brand new. The guy got them. He was going to change these out and decided he didn't want them. He took the bike back in, and I got lucky enough to find it. That is just cool, the way the orange, the light hits the orange speckles, and it's all in such nice shape. If any of you guys out there know what kind of handlebars these are, or grips, or these other ones, supposed to be X70 or something. I don't know what it is. And I think that's it's in beautiful shape for 10 years old. That's perfect for this old man. All right, I'm gonna go riding. Rock on, my friends out in DIO world.